Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my everyday makeup look. So I just recently moved from Dubai to London, and it took me a while to set up my studio back again, and for this reason I was off YouTube. I had started it like maybe in December or November. I had started making videos and I had to stop and wait for me to move here and start filming here again. So without further ado, let's just get started with my everyday makeup look tutorial. I have already prepped my skin with argan oil. This is 100% pure argan oil. I got this from Easel Beauty in Dubai, and I have only this much left. I need to get restocked with this product because I really love it. So I'm going to be starting with my favorite foundation, which is Nars Sheer Glow Foundation in Tahoe. I'm just like in love with this foundation. It is light and it gives me enough coverage for an everyday look. It's dewy, which is what I really love about this foundation. Also, this foundation is not comedogenic. That means it does not, cover your pores, and it won't give you any acne. So I'm just going to take like 1.5 pump of this and use a brush and begin from my cheeks. It's a little bit dark for me right now. I guess I've become a bit pale since I've come to London. This wasn't the case in Dubai. It's always hot in Dubai. I tend to apply more around my mouth because there is pigmentation, which I really don't like. I believe this pigmentation is because of my diet. I was told by a cosmetologist to reduce dairy and increase vitamin C in my diet. That would help me get rid of my hyperpigmentation on my forehead and around my mouth. But I don't think that's gonna happen because I really love cheese. I'm never gonna give up cheese. I'm already a vegetarian, so it's like giving up dairy is like going vegan. I don't mind, I'm not against veganism, but it's just I can't think like that because I'm a huge cheese fan and I'm a huge milk fan and I'm a huge chocolate and dessert fan, so not gonna happen. For concealer, I'm going to be using Giorgio Armani Maestro Eraser Concealer. This was actually my mom's, but it didn't help her. It's a little bit light for her because she has a lot of pigmentation around her, eye area, but and she doesn't like the way it sets on her skin. But for me, it's just amazing. I love it. Like it doesn't make me look cakey. And for this, I'm going to be using a professional makeup brush from NYX. This I believe is for contouring, but I really love it for buffing in my concealer. And I applied on the eyelids as well to cover the darkness. So that's it with the concealer around the eyes. It's super light and gives me this luminous effect. I might look oily to you, but for me this is perfect. I love dewy finish. So for setting my concealer, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Professional High Definition Powder. I think I've had this for at least 4 years now and it's still not over. Like I should just throw this, but I love it too much and it's expensive. So I'm just going to be taking a Morphe E53 brush. I'm just going to like tap it here and apply it under my eyes gently, a bit more, under and over. I'm going to also apply a little bit around my mouth because that's where it tends to crease. And that's it. I don't apply the powder anywhere else. I just love it around my eyes, and the rest of my face has to be dewy. Okay, so for contouring, I'm going to be using the 9C palette from Morphe. I'm not a huge fan of Morphe. I think the powders are not well formulated, as in they don't blend very well for me. But since I've just moved to London, I just brought few makeup products with me in the luggage. I have no other choice but to use this. But I guess my favorite one would be the Huda bronzer. It doesn't show up much on my skin tone, but it's just enough for for that natural look. I'm going to be using the Morphe M527 brush. Just going to take a little bit of this and this and this, dab, and just going to brush it over here. For the blush, I'm going to be using the Sigma Core de Rosa Aura Powder. I'm going to apply a little bit on the nose for that beachy look, even though it's winter. Winter is coming. Winter has arrived. I can't wait for the next season of Game of Thrones. It's going to be epic. The last episode of the last season was like when I saw the dragon like become a zombie. I'm like, oh shit. So for my highlighter today, I'm going to be using the 3D highlighter palette from Huda Beauty, and it's in the Golden Sands edition. I just love this highlighter and the blush over here. Like, this is my go-to highlighter. For this, I'm going to be using a fan brush from Girly Stuffs. It's a brand in Dubai, and I'm just going to be mixing a little bit of seashells and Zanzibar. I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. Boom. I'll just take a little bit of this and apply it on the bridge of my nose. I never apply it over here because that makes my nose look a little bit more big than it already is. So I just rub some with my hands on the bridge of my nose. So I'm done with my face, and now I'm going to start with my eyes. So my eyes are already prepped and powdered with the Makeup Forever powder that I used, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more of this and get started with the eyeshadows. It's not going to be a very glam eye look since it's an everyday makeup tutorial, but I just apply maybe 1 or 2 shades on my eyes and that's it. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek shadows. The first one is going to be Creme Brulee. I'm just going to be using it as a transition shade. Even though it doesn't show up in camera, I know that I've applied Creme Brulee. Okay, the next shade is going to be Cocoa Bear. Just going to dab in there. And just apply it as the second transition shade on my eyes. For the lower lashes, I'm going to take a little bit of Cocoa Bear with my M507 Morphe brush and just apply it on the outer corner of my lower lashes. Okay, so the next step is for me to tightline my eyes, and I'm just going to close my eyes for this step and apply it gently. So for the liner, I'm going to be using the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. This has to be my favorite liner in the entire world as of now. And it's been since like 3-4 months. I'm obsessed with this when it came in my PR. Okay guys, so I'm done doing my liner and I've applied my falsies. The falsies are from Lashylicious in Featherlicious. This is actually from Farah Pro Makeup on Instagram. I really love the Featherlicious for an everyday look. For the liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using Maha from Burgundy. This is a brand in Canada, and ever since they've sent me this liquid lipstick, I am obsessed with the color. Seriously love this color, like I love it. Well done to this company. They have a lot of amazing liquid lipsticks. This is not sponsored, by the way, it's just my opinion. I really love their liquid lipsticks. So this is the finished look, and I just can't get enough of this lipstick and this liner and this entire thing going on. I also forgot to mention that I'd done my eyebrows before filming this tutorial. I had used the Anastasia the brow pomade in dark brown. This is my go-to brow filler. My hair is just literally air dried after washing my hair today. I prefer not to straighten them or get them through a lot of heat because I don't cut my hair, so I try to take care of my hair as much as possible. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and do come back for more tutorials that are coming soon. I'm also going to be filming tutorials on my hair care because so many of you on Instagram love my hair and the hair length that I have. So I'll be helping you guys with that as well. Every product that I used in this tutorial will be mentioned down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It is important. It helps me grow my channel. Take care and love you guys. Mwah.